The stop-motion animated adventure Missing Link is unique in that every frame is created using a hybrid of traditional in-camera special effects and state-of-the-art visual effects toolsets. With the exception of digital background puppets, each and every character performance is an in-camera special effect, created through the use of a real-world stop-motion puppet, driven through time and space by an animator's hands, one frame at a time. The visual effects of this film represent our studio's mission to realize the potential of stop-motion animation, to tell bold, original stories, and create worlds with characters that are unlike any seen before using this timeless art form. For Missing Link's animation, we aspired to create an emotional investment between the character and the viewer by pursuing performances that were more natural and nuanced than anything ever before experienced in a stop-motion film. We strove to move audiences with performances that were both entertaining and emotionally resonant. We worked to leverage a classic in-camera special effect to create empathy.
And that smile meant the world to me.
Missing Link is our first production where we animated and 3D printed bespoke facial performances for every shot in the film. To accomplish this goal, we printed over 106,000 unique facial expressions. To build upon the added nuance of the facial performances, animation and rigging teams engineered custom jetpacks to facilitate the smallest of incremental movements by the animators. Additional in-camera effects included the creation of a 36-pound elephant puppet that carried 4 additional puppets while traversing a jungle set so large, dressers had to strike and redress the background multiple times for adequate coverage. The animation took nearly 3 months to complete. With its 110 sets and 65 unique locations, the scope of the project surpassed all of our previous films. To achieve this goal, as well as the epic scope that our director envisioned, our in-house visual effects team created 531 digital assets, more than double the number of any of our previous productions. Puppet makers, set builders, riggers, and stop-motion animators collaborated directly with our visual effects team to help ensure that any and all digital elements bore the same physicality, design principles, and nuanced characteristics of Missing Link's handcrafted world. Physical maquettes were created to provide a foundation for the digital extensions. Real-world materials were leveraged to drive puppet physicality into background characters and creatures. And simulation effects carried the same design principles that are seen throughout the universe of the film: vivid color, simple shapes, and explicit patterning.
Buck up, Mr. Blint. No harm done.
The 1,486 visual effects shots that comprise the final film were completed entirely in-house. Our goal was not only to create a vivid, vibrant epic, but also to share a story unlike any ever told before in a stop-motion universe, and to continue our pursuit of realizing the potential of stop-motion animation, while carrying it forward and into the future of visual effects storytelling.